Èṣù beleke láàróyè àròbó. That was Èṣù's name. Ẹbọra tí ń jẹ́ Látọpa. What does Látọpa mean? Who is Èṣù gangan? There's a lot of questions that I want to ask, and there's a lot of things that you have to know about this issue. Èṣù láàróyè àròbó. Ẹbọra tí ń jẹ́ Látọpa. He's not a bad person. He's a good person. Èṣù never wanted to eat poison, and the only poison for Èṣù is Adi, and his food is Epo, oil, palm oil. Thank you. Follow me, Kunle Blog, to hear more about the documentary that Yoruba people have. Washire. Kunle Blog lórúkọ mi ní Facebook. You can search for my name on Twitter. My name is Kunle Blog too. My channel is Kunle Blog. Search for my name on Instagram, on Facebook. On Instagram, I am O_Kunle Blog. Washire.